Another thing that I wanted to talk to you guys about is Lucky Montana throwing tantrums on Twitter. First of all, Lucky Montana is they don't tweet. Like they're very silent and undercover. You wouldn't think they are MK members. Nabo Brian, Nabo Ntonto, they don't tweet. They're not into Twitter or social media. Who's always there like tweeting, defending MK ngumzwanele manye. Anyway, I just dropped a full episode on my YouTube about this. You can go and watch. But I thought man is on Khabulisa app. So he's throwing tantrums. There is one fighter, Caba imtache kwinev. Caba le fighter imtache kwinev. And again, he's been spiraling. I think he tweeted like 8 or 9 tweets. This fighter said to Bana, she said, "When I would be livid if a party that I voted for it to voice to be my voice in parliament keeps quiet for 7 hours." So I think that thing triggered Lucky. I think it triggered him. Let me read you guys some of his tweets. Okay, so this is what when you tweet, he said, "Ubana, when the MKP invited me to become a member of parliament, I was asked to use my knowledge and my experience in transport SOE sector to contribute and help advance an alternative vision and a pro-black agenda. If I'm asked today to outshine some EFF member, I will struggle. It is not me." So uthi yena ku-MK wayebizelwe ubana azoshare i-experience yakhe ne-knowledge yakhe, not to come and compete with the EFF. That is not him. This thing started here. It started by Mrs. J. Mrs. J said, "I would be livid that the party I voted for, one that's supposed to be my voice and legislate in line with what is contained in their manifesto, can say nothing in parliament for 7 hours. Saying parliament should be used symbolically shows how you undermine voters." So like Montana okobe retweet again because a triggerishwe Mrs. J. So uti apa on top, an EFF victory over the establishment is an MK victory. Equally, an MK victory over the system should be an EFF victory. The sooner we stop this madness, the better. So utuwana, there is no need for us to compete because into achieve by EFF, into achieve by MK, into achieve by MK, into achieve by EFF. So masiye ke lento bana sibisiz cat, which and then he said, "Bana, oh, go be retweet oh, Koko, he's been spiraling." Oh, and then he said, "Bana, absolute nonsense. The MK is not in the business of competing with the EFF. No measure ourselves illogically, and that's what the illogical standards. No measure ourselves by illogical standards. We respect the contribution of other parties, but the MK is in a league of its own when it comes to finance, minerals, energy, water, transport, etc. So to one, they are not in the business of competing with the EFF." And then with the same breath, he says, "Bana, to illustrate my point, let's take the rough issue discussed last Wednesday by the Transport Committee. The EFF led the charge, but there was synergy and collaboration between ANC, EFF, Action SA, and MK. The other parties gave support and cover whenever a fighter Umaziplose came under fire." So Umaziplose led this thing of rough in parliament. So utu like, even though this thing was led by the EFF and it was led by Umaziplose, but xa Umaziplose athekwa bebemncedisa bemsupporta. So bayavela bayasupporta. They shouldn't be told ukuthi they are quiet in parliament, they are not doing anything. I saw someone commented there and said, "Bana, you should be the one leading izinto, not supporting the EFF. You should be in charge and leading." So yeah, let me know what you guys think. There's another one, Apate Ubana Yena. He's not chasing for the spotlight. Yena, he has been in government for a very long time. So ezinto ezas koncha kuye don't. Sada. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about his tweets.